Alright, so to follow this tutorial you will need an ESP32 and Thingsboard which can be set up either locally or in the cloud. So in my case I have it running locally in the Docker container, and if you'd like to learn how to install Thingsboard using Docker, check out the video linked in the video descriptions. Well, the first thing we're going to do is create a new device. Go to device here, click on add new device. I will call it ESP32. Click on add and close the windows, and once we have our device created you will see well, we will need this access token, and then well, we will need to go to Thingsboard documentation about how to install ESP32 to Thingsboard. Scroll a little bit here and we will need this code for our Arduino IDE. So go to the Arduino IDE and then I will paste it here. Well, here you will need to change your Wi-Fi connection. In my case, let me copy and paste my credential, and in my case is this, but of course you will need to fill with your data or with your credential, and here you will need your access token. So go to the Thingsboard again, copy the access token, and here you will need to paste it. After that you will need also the Thingsboard server. In my case, because I am running locally, I will search using my IP config. For example, I'm connected using Ethernet. This is my IP direction, and let me copy here. Alright, so before do that, make sure that you are using Thingsboard the version 14 installed, because if you install the last version you will find an error. Well, let me upload this code to my ESP32. Alright, so once we have our code running in our ESP32, so we can check in our Thingsboard if our device is receiving some telemetry. So go to the latest telemetry section, and then as you can see here, the temperature values is changing, so it's receiving some data. But also you can use the dashboard that offer in the documentation. For example, if you scroll a little bit here, you will find this dashboard that is very useful to do a test. Click on here and you will download the dashboard, and then I will import this new dashboard. Give me a second. Go to dashboard, click on add, click on import dashboard, and import the dashboard here, and then open this new dashboard. Click on the edit mode, click on edit entity alias, and I will put, well, I can only select the single entity here, and then device, and I will looking for my ESP32 device. Click on save, and voila, so you will have your ESP32 connected to Thingsboard. And we can also do some testing. For example, I want to test is this RPC connection is working or not. First of all, also you need to save the dashboard. I will put in here this here, and also my Arduino IDE. I will put the serial monitor here, and if I click here in the blink mode, give me a second, I will receive some data from Thingsboard. Okay guys, so I want to show you also, if you change your blinking mode, how our ESP32 is responding. So if I change here, so you will see how our LED is changing between on and off. If I turn off the blinking mode, so the LED is like a static mode. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I wanted to keep it as short and quick as possible so you can have an updated version of the tutorial on how to connect our ESP32. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So see you in the next one.